it's tight. We're doing our best. We definitely have seen this product require almost 3 times as much time as our typical products.
We were looking at the current state of technology with wet illumination products and found that we need to make it work in multiple modes of operation, and that's really what led us to look at our brow light series and make a change.
So all development at Unveiling really starts within this building, and the process starts by listening to the customer. Our engineers are not only listening to customers, many of them actually are out in the field themselves, helping in the industry, and we're looking to innovate and improve the safety aspects of all the products we make.
It's insanely cool. It is so rewarding to go from a thought to an actual concept to like seeing what happens inside this facility. This department is working on the Field Series, so they're developing the molds that go into all the components that are going to be a part of every aspect of the Field Series.
It's easy to source tools globally, and it's a conscious decision by the company to have the capability that we have in-house.
The real magic and the special that happens here at Unveiling, essentially we control our destiny as opposed to sending this stuff out and hoping that someone else can accomplish what we need. Yes, you can order a part, you have to communicate to them, you have to hope they understand the whole vision. But here at Unveiling, everybody understands the whole vision. We're all living it, we're breathing it together. That's hard to duplicate.
Throughout our facility up here in Charlestown, New Hampshire, everything is captured within our facilities.
Here at Unveiling, we have vertical integration, and what I mean by that is we can actually do everything ourselves.
Our dedication to vertical integration came about many years ago out of our drive really to support the quality of the product. We recognized many years ago that we had other options to explore, but all of that would degrade the reliability and quality of our products, and that our dedication in our factories with our own people and our own processes is part of the secret sauce of what goes into our Unveiling products.
It's extremely important to have vertical integration in manufacturing because you're not reliant on anyone else. God forbid something happens at a vendor that you're trying to get the lens for the Field Series, for instance. That has an effect on us. They have their own timelines, they have their own priorities, and who are we to go in and tell them what to do and how to do it. Here, we have that ability with vertical integration. Our vendors are all in-house. So we are able to adjust priorities globally across the business to make sure that we can meet our end goals.
We don't have to deal with time zones. We don't have to, work with overseas suppliers. It's all in-house between Connecticut and New Hampshire, so we can move very quickly and design our products specifically for the use cases from the ground up, purpose-built for our customers.
With the development of these new optics, we're putting light where it needs to be the most.
With the Field Series light, the innovation that I saw right away with the first prototypes was the dual focuses of near field and far field optics in the product. And with that now we can actually tune and shape the light to put more of the light in the usable area that's most important to the end user.
It's something really neat that I don't think any other product out there has. It helps light up the scene in a useful way.
So we showed this product, a version of this product at FDIC last year, and got a lot of user feedback. And one of the main things that we heard was that it didn't look like a Unveiling product.
It was interesting for me personally to stand there and show this idea and get mixed results. But it was good. It was humbling, and but it wasn't all negative. There was also like an opportunity to talk to the OEMs and talk to the first responders and just be able to be like, hey, are we on the right track?
We needed to slim it down, and we needed to pack a lot of functionality into a very tight space, and also make it look like a Unveiling product that people expect it to look like.
And honestly, that reset gave us the chance to like innovate a little bit more, And it honestly, it drove us to a better solution.
This is going to be a way better product than the last one was going to be.
There were a lot of points where there were big problems that we didn't know the answers to. The team worked really hard to solve some really tough engineering problems, pack a lot of power and a lot of functionality into a really, really tight package, and make it look like an awesome product in the end. And so it's just an incredible feat of engineering.
How's your anxiety level? Are we good? Did you feel it? Mine's feeling a lot better right now, I'm gonna be honest.
The moment that we were able to turn it on for the first time, I could finally breathe. We put a lot into this product. We took a lot of risks, and that was the first time that we saw it coming together. That was the first time that we saw all of this hard work paying off.
You have some anxiety of like, boy, I hope we're right. But I'll tell you what, the day we turned on that first prototype, it was clear we were right. And I say that with full confidence. That's not me just because it's our idea and we're wheeling. There was an actual moment where we were able to finally turn on our prototype sample, and we turned it on. And I think there must have been 20 of us out there, and I'm not kidding. The collective gasp that happened when this thing turned on, it was like, yes.
It's good to see like the amount of time and effort that goes into it is like paying off.
As a U.S. Army veteran, I absolutely understand what it means to be able to trust our equipment. For our end users to be able to trust their equipment and actually save lives, it's paramount. We can't have them fumbling, worrying if their light is going to turn on or not. We need to absolutely ensure that it will, and that is my opinion of why it's mission critical.
Yeah, it's a responsibility we take very seriously. We understand that our products are used in mission critical applications.
If our products fail, it's not okay. It just simply put is not okay. Our stuff has to work. It has to work every time. So yeah, it is mission critical, and it is extremely important to us, and why we take the time to evaluate and test and make sure that we understand the functionality and the light output and all the little intricate details to make sure that we can accomplish what we set out to do and provide that mission critical solution. And at the end of the day, a firefighter and first responder, their job is to go save a life, to put a fire out, to protect people. Their job is not to mess around with lights and change settings. They need this equipment to work the way they need it to work, when they need it to work, and that is the #1 priority.
This light will be a game changer in the industry.
You know, I'm really excited. It's been a year in the making, and actually being able to release this in April at FDIC to show it to the public is going to be awesome.
We have so much hard work that we've put into this package, and we're ready. We're ready for FDIC.
We are extremely excited to unveil this product and show it to the world at FDIC. We've been working very hard. The team behind this is very proud of the work, and we have put this in front of several groups and gotten feedback and improved the product, and now we feel it's ready, and we're excited to show this.
If I'm being honest, I am relieved. I am just like extremely excited and proud of the work that this company has done to develop this product, and for us to show up at FDIC and put this thing out into the wild and show everybody what we've done. It's a sense of pride and excitement that we're bringing some innovative stuff to the market that we think is it's going to be really impactful. I'm just pumped to get to FDIC and share the field series with everyone because I think they're going to be real excited about what this product can do.